We're going to take the pin out. We're going to put these to the side. Then what we're going to do is we're going to turn this over just like this. We're going to put the end through this here, and you're going to hold this just like this, and you're going to feed the screw right through just like that. So it's going to go into here, okay? Then what we're going to do, all right, is we're going to take these 3 wires and we're going to feed them right through the end just like this, so that they come right out the end of the top. At that point, we're going to hold it tight. We're going to turn it around just like this so that we can see the hole. We'll take these just like this. We'll feed this right through until it goes to the other side. We'll spin this around like this so that we can see the hole. It comes through. We take this little clip and we put the clip right through here just like that. Okay? And that's how it's supposed to be set up.